Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another diecast video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Today we're on site and I am going to show you some of the sweet rides this guy has in his store. I'm going to pick up some. And I will be doing an unboxing later on. Today is Saturday, July 20th, 2024. Yeah, alright. I'll be right back. I'll show you some of the stuff that this guy has. I'm at Stan Stuff in Deptford, New Jersey. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's start with the Hot Wheels. The hotties. The hotties. Yeah. Ooh, look at all these cars. I like that. I might get that. I'm not sure. Those are pretty sweet too. Have a few haulers. Okay, everybody. I'm packing these away because they're going to my boy TB Hobbies. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Alright. Let me get to you what I've gotten from Dollar General last week. I got 2 cars from Dollar General last week. This one is a Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. It's a nice van. I like it. Ah, very nice. I like that. And a glory chaser. It's a nice car itself. I like it, but it's definitely different than what I normally collect. But it's cute. Alright. Time to get the 314 collectibles. It's sealed. Alright, let's rip this open. I purchased these off his Whatnot shop. You don't always have to buy stuff in the live stream on live stream auction. They also have a shop on there. Each streamer has shops and all that stuff. They decide to put stuff on the shop. You can buy it from the shop. And this is what I did with 314 collectibles. His link will be down below, and same as mine. And just to let you know that Whatnot is a live video auction website. It's an app. You can sign up through my link down below. You get your in-app $10 credit, and it will go towards whatever you buy. It doesn't have to be diecast. It could be clothes, sneakers, electronics. There's people in there that sell computers, laptops, and some other stuff. Some what do you call it? Pallets, Amazon pallets and stuff like that. People do that. They open the pallet up, and you can bid and pick whatever you want. Why am I having a hard time with this? I need a knife. I see something. I see something. Packing peanuts, really? Come on, 314. I thought we were friends. If y'all remember the first video I did with 314, you'll remember that big box of peanuts I got. It was a nice big box of diecast and peanuts. Packing peanuts. He said, had to go out and buy those peanuts just for you. That's what it says right there. Thank you, 314. You're the best. Alright, let's see what we got in here. 314, again, is one of my favorite packers on Whatnot. I say in a lot of my videos. Let's see what we got here. Right here, let's open this one first. See what we got here. One of my favorite packers on here. right here we have this nice packing tape. ASMR. Oh, what do we got here? Here is a treasure. Here is a chase or treasure hunt, I guess. That's pretty sick. I like that. You can barely see the symbol underneath. It's the Fire Eater fire truck. Not confused from this Fire Eater. Here is a chase. It's pretty sweet. I like that. It's pretty sick. I like that. Thank you. 14 collectibles. All right. Now let's get on with this. What did I get here? Is tape. Because he cares about his packing and his customers, his clientele, and wants to keep his clientele. That's why he packs everything up nicely. What do we got here? Here is an M2. An M2 bootlegger. 1971 Cuda. Plymouth Cuda. Bootlegger. That is pretty sick. I like that. That's why I picked it up. That's pretty sick. I really, really like that. Thank you, 314. Okay, let's get on from what I got from Stan Stuff. Stan Stuff is a great store. He asked me where have I been. I said work. As you know, school bus driver. And he goes, well, that's good. That's good. Right here we have a 1959 DeSoto police car. This was really nice. I was holding this in my hands in the store for a while. I really liked it. He carefully take this price tag off. American Heroes, that's what it says on the card. I'm going to try to carefully take a sticker off. I'm not a fan of stickers. And I hope people see my video and get over to this guy. He's an awesome guy. I just wish I could get over to him more often, even though he's like the next town over. And he's only open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And he busts my balls, I bust his balls. Because I've been going there for years. not for diecast though. For other odds and ends. I just got back into diecast vehicles. I used to collect them a long time ago, but I won't get into that. But there we go. Sticker is off. Price tag is off. Okay, that's a nice car. There's another one with a price tag on it. Who likes Hostess cherry pie? Hostess fruit pie. Here's another. Here's an M2. This is a nice car. I was looking at this for a while too. Very nice car. Very nice. I like this a lot. Oh, what kind of fruit is that though? Blackberry. Hell yeah. That's sick. I like that. And they have the symbol of the fruit right there. Alright, everybody. Alright, here we go. And I walked around to the hauler, where the haulers were. And this has been there for a bit, for a hot minute, every time. Like, it's been calling my name out, so. Black Magic. This is freaking sick. We have a 1968 Chevy C60 truck and a 1973 GMC Sierra or Jimmy. This is freaking sick. I like this a lot. Woo! It was a tough choice, but I was looking at another one as well. Not this, but I was looking at another M2 hauler as well. But this one stuck out to me more. Uh-oh.
Alarm system station 61, come on, fire 1, West Emperor Township, 1000 Riverwoods Drive, off of Abbotsford Lane. Alarm system 61.
I was looking at another M2, but this one stuck out to me more. So anyway, Jelly Beans, thank you all for watching. Sorry for the long pause. Thank you all for watching. If you like this, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace! I really like these M2s. And that, the Hot Wheel. M2s. You can see my little M2 thingy right there. So, peace.